We're getting geared up for AAPEX 2024, so let's get ahead of the game with some dynamic tips to help your booth draw crowds and drum up business.
Be bold.
Don't hold back from making your booth the center of attention.
Turn heads with your booth design by incorporating in-your-face graphics, exciting lighting, and maybe some unique elements like video walls.
Don't be afraid to put your foot on the gas and get creative.
Get clever.
A captivating catchphrase for your booth acts as a turbocharger, revving up attention.
Effective visual communication about your brand in visible and in multiple directions will get attendees looking your way.
Do you remember Don't Stink and Drive? People flocked to the Febreze booth in 2023. It was a good one.
Launch something shiny and new.
AAPEX is the perfect place to launch new products and services.
People are there because they want to see, touch, and feel something they never have. So put something new right in their hands.
Show them how your brand is on the forefront of product innovation.
Make your booth accessible.
AAPEX brings in big crowds and big business, so making your booth easy to navigate is important.
Optimize your booth layout for easy navigation and avoid overcrowding. Also, utilize AAPEX Scan for digital content access via QR codes, which enhances lead generation. The A team.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Equip your team with product knowledge and accentuate the importance of having an engaging demeanor with attendees.
Your team can make all the difference, so set them up for success.
Promote your booth.
Finally, it's never too early to start fueling excitement.
Make use of the Exhibitor toolkit to create an early buzz around your booth, and then blast it via email and social. Talk about a new product or a demonstration that AAPEX attendees won't want to miss.
And of course, don't forget to mention your booth and hall number so attendees can easily find you.
AAPEX 2024 is on track to be the biggest ever, and we look forward to seeing you this November in Las Vegas.